Boy, like a boiling pot on the stove today. You know, it was 99 at 2 o'clock today. That was our high. And boy, that lid had to release some steam somehow. We popped a few little isolated storms this afternoon through that lid or that cap. We've got one storm left over, which is showing a weakening trend near Jamestown and now moving out of Ladoga, moving into northern Hendricks, southern Boone County. So up to about 7:30, we'll keep a 20% pop in the forecast for our southeast. Otherwise, it's a clearing trend for the remainder of the night. Back to the maps we go. Again, a couple little isolated storms have cooled the temperature in places. It's 82 at Burlington, but we've warmed right back up to 95 Rochester. It's 88 at the station and a 92 at Morocco. Again, most of the area today between about 98 and 101 degrees. A lot of places hit 100 this afternoon. So for the evening, again, notice temperatures warming up a little bit more. We'll be up to perhaps in the lower 90s by 7 and then 84. That is it at 11 o'clock with the clearing trend continuing and the isolated storm fading. But the good news is still some scattered storms tomorrow, perhaps even into Thursday as a weak cold front kind of slides through our area. But overall, in the grand scheme of things, above normal temperatures, below normal rainfall right through July. On Futurecast, again, we'll clear out tonight. Tomorrow, cold front will approach from the north, albeit a weak one. It will pop at least some scattered storms around with 30 to 40% coverage, and we'll still keep a few little storms in the forecast for Thursday. Steamy, 70 to 75 tonight. That's it. 74 West Point Lafayette, 72 Kewanna, Fulton up towards Rochester, and a 72 at Camden. And partly cloudy tomorrow, some scattered storms developing. 95 to 100 with the heat index as high as 105. 98 in Lafayette, Monticello, 99 Burlington, and a 95 at Morocco. And given the amount of heating, I would not rule out one or two storms putting out a little microburst, a brief little gust of wind, though that would be pretty isolated, something to keep in mind. 89 to 92 Thursday, partly cloudy, a few scattered showers and storms lingering as the front kind of lumbers down to the south. 90 here in Lafayette. So there is the front on Thursday moving southward, but it's going to kind of wash out with time Friday, and then the heat wave starts to overtake it. Cap things again. We'll be back to 94 for Dancing in the Streets, 96 on Sunday, and then by early next week back to 100. There'll be a lot of storms to our northeast, but right now looks pretty dry around here. At least we've got some scattered storms, little hope tomorrow as well as Thursday, and then it's pretty dry with the heat returning. 96 Sunday, and boy, Dancing in the Streets, 94, mostly sunny. Yeah, at least it's not going to be overly humid that day. That's the good news.
Well, that is the good news. We sure could use some more rain. Lots of hot temperatures in that forecast.
And we'll take the 40% coverage of the rainfall tomorrow. We need it.
All right, Chad, thanks.
Yeah.
Can you imagine being on the golf course?